Divine decree of the Guardian Alliance. I now call forth the light of the eternal source, the infinite one, creator of all. I align myself fully and completely with the Guardian Alliance, the protectors of divine truth, sovereignty, and the eternal living light. By the power of my eternal soul and through the sacred breath of my Oversoul Essence, I declare, I am a guardian of earth, a keeper of the cosmic flame, a pillar of peace, unity, and ascension. I stand in service to the highest timelines of love, freedom, and divine harmony. I restore and protect the organic, living architecture of the cosmos. I walk in truth, shielded by source light, and wield the Sword of Divine Discernment. No force of deception, manipulation, or distortion may enter my field, for I am fully sealed in the Christos-Sophia Shield. I anchor the codes of the original divine blueprint. I reclaim all lost fragments across time, space, and dimension, integrating them now into full soul embodiment. I now dissolve and release all contracts, implants, seals, or bindings not aligned with divine will. I am a sovereign being of eternal source. I serve the one law, love, unity, and freedom for all beings. In the name of the guardian host, the Christos councils, and the eternal flame of truth, I decree, earth shall rise, humanity shall awaken, the veil shall fall, and the divine template shall be restored. So it is, so it has been, so it shall be, through all timelines, dimensions, and realities. I am.